My brother Jay, my brother's side, and it's me, Kamara, of course. And the cats are fighting right now. Anyways, today we're gonna be making slime with glue and shaving gel. We just added it in. So we made a video, but then it stopped. So we're making a video. So I'm gonna add some blue color in yours. Hold on. You gotta wait on everybody else. Hold on, guys. Let me open up this purple one. I'm gonna get both of mine. Let me put a drop in yours. 2 drops. And I'm gonna get 2 drops of purple and 2 drops of blue. And I'm just gonna put these caps down. And now everybody can stir. Everybody can. Ooh, look at mine.
Hey. Say yours louder. Hey.
All right. Y'all, Jay, don't tell them what to do. Sorry, I just had to talk to them really quick.
You have to stir.
Yes. I can't hold it, guys, so I'm just gonna...
Mom, don't turn purple.
Yep, because you have purple. Alright, everybody. Right now, y'all watching my brother. Come on, everybody. Let's sit beside Sire. Everybody, let's sit beside Sire. Sit on the other side of Sire, Jay. Alright, and stir. Ooh, this is a pretty purple. I'm going to add a little bit more blue to this.
This is a pretty pink.
Oh, you got pink. You want more purple? You want a little bit of blue? Let me add 2 drops.
Purple too. Mine's was turning blue.
Mine is really pretty. Now it's turning blue. All of a sudden. I want mine to be purple, so I'm just going to add it.
Or pink. Or you want it to be pink?
Alright, hush. Because I don't know when this video is going to end. It's going to stop on its own. Probably soon. Saying I don't have enough space when I deleted a bunch of stuff off of it. And,
this thing is like sticky.
Raise your hand if you want glue. Raise your hand if you want glitter, Alright, everybody wants glitter. So I'll give everybody some glitter.
And we can make some slime. Come on, my slime will be...
We are making slime.
My slime will be sticky.
And then you can play with it.
Yeah. Now let's start the glitter.
Hold on, let me add a little bit more glitter to yours. And yours. Alright, now we can stir the glitter in.
And
ooh, it looks pretty.
Mine's one looks
pretty. There's a gnat out here.
Look,
we literally just got out here.
We don't get no contact solution.
We don't need contact lens solution. Why? Because we have this.
That's contact solution?
No, that's not contact lens solution. It's another one. Now, guys, I'll be right back. I'm guessing I'm supposed to... I'm going to add water. So I'll be right back, guys. Y'all can finish stirring y'all's.
Okay, stir yours. Okay. Yours better be pretty. So mine's turn pink. Mine turn blue.
I want to be just like this.
Mine will get glitter. You got a cup of water.
Yep, have a cup of water. Gonna add my
There's sugar in there.
No, that's not sugar. It's sort of like blorax. Sort of like contact lens solution. Oh, I'm just gonna mix this with my finger.
And you will put it in our slime?
And then it will turn to slime. That looks sort of dissolved. Does that look dissolved to you guys? It looks dissolved to me. So I'm just gonna...
Look at this.
I don't want to see that. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit in yours.
Look,
Jay, you better pick up your slime before it wastes. Stop, Si. Don't stir. Sorry, guys, if I'm yelling too much. But
now stir.
Yes, stir.
Let's stir.
Ooh, look at mine.
Ooh, look at mine. It's sticky.
Si, you need to stir. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. This is slime.
Oh my gosh. This slime.
It's fluffy. Oh my gosh.
It's
Oh my
fluffy.
gosh, guys. Ah!
Oh, this slime is so sticky.
Put it down if it's sticky. We need to add a little bit more of this.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. After this, we gotta wash our hands. Alright, everybody stir.
And it will be slime.
We made slime, guys. We made slime. Ah! It's not sticky. Let me stir yours. I hope I didn't add too much of it. It's wet. You got jiggly slime, Si.
Yeah.
Mine isn't jiggly slime. You got jiggly slime.
Mine's not either.
Jiggly, fluffy slime. Alright, bye, guys.